Most brands don't have a strategy. They have a tool list.
That executive's not wrong. Most brands we audit don't have an AI content strategy. They have a ChatGPT subscription, a Jasper account nobody logs into, and a Notion doc called AI Ideas that hasn't been touched since March. Over the last year, we rebuilt our entire content engine at Jay-Z Creates around AI. We're shipping a blog post, a YouTube video, a newsletter, LinkedIn posts, and a full week of social with one person reviewing instead of a full team writing from scratch. The system has 5 layers. I'm walking you through every single one. If you're new here, I'm Jay from Jay-Z Creates. We're a creative agency in LA building AI and automation campaigns for brands. We break down what's actually working in AI creative every single week. So if you want the real playbook and not the hype, hit subscribe. Let's get into the system.
5 layers. In order. No shortcuts.
This is the layer everyone skips, and it's why most AI content reads like AI. You cannot delegate to AI what you can't articulate yourself. Before any tool fires, we document 3 things. Who the audience is, specifically. Not marketers, it's marketing directors at luxury consumer brands who are tired of agencies that don't get their category. The brand voice in writing. Tone, sentence rhythm, words to use, words to ban, point of view, humor style. Ours lives in a file we call voice.md, and we feed it to every model that produces text for the brand. And the strategic point of view. What does the brand actually believe? Bland is the default output of every AI model on the planet. Opinion is the antidote.
No brief, no production. That's the rule.
Layer 2 is the research engine. Before we write a single word, we figure out what our audience is actually searching for. We use 2 research tools to pull the data. Then Claude Code analyzes the top results on Google and writes us a 1-page brief. The brief tells us the angle to take, the questions to answer, and the format that's already winning. Every blog, every video, every newsletter starts from that brief. No brief, no production. That one rule cut our wasted content in half.
This is the part everyone wants to skip to.
Layer 3 is the production stack. This is the part everyone wants to skip to. Don't. Without the first 2 layers, this stack just makes fast garbage. With them, it makes premium content at scale. Here's what we use. Claude Code for the writing, HeyGen for the talking head video, 11 Labs for the voice you're hearing right now, Kling and Seedance for cinematic clips, ChatGPT and Nano Banana for the images. The trick is this. One brief gives us every format. The blog, this YouTube video, the newsletter, the LinkedIn post, the social clips. All built from the same source. One idea, 10 formats, one approval cycle.
Production is loud. Distribution is the bottleneck.
Layer 4 is distribution automation. Production is the bottleneck people obsess over. Distribution is the bottleneck that quietly eats the budget. We use Go High Level as the all-in-one backbone for newsletter, social posting, CRM, and websites. We've run our agency on it for 3 years, and it has done more to scale our distribution than any other single platform in the stack. N8N is our custom orchestration layer for anything Go High Level doesn't natively cover, self-hosted on Railway. Blotato is a backup for multi-platform social pushes when we need more granular control, and a custom WordPress publishing pipeline that handles SEO meta, internal linking, and image conversion automatically. The result, one blog post becomes 30 distribution events without anyone copy-pasting captions at 11 p.m. on a Sunday.
Measure what gets cited, not just clicked.
Layer 5 is measurement and iteration. Most AI content programs never get measured because the team's too busy producing. We track 3 things and ignore everything else. What's ranking inside AI overviews and Perplexity citations, not just classic SERPs. Which posts are driving inbound conversations, not just traffic. And the cost per published piece over time, including human review hours. That last number is the one nobody on LinkedIn talks about. It's also the only one that proves the strategy's working. The goal is for it to drop steadily quarter over quarter, while quality stays flat or improves. So that's the system. 5 layers. Audience and voice, keyword engine, production stack, distribution automation, and measurement. The brands that document their voice, build the production stack, automate distribution, and measure what actually matters are going to dominate the next 24 months. The brands still treating ChatGPT as a writing helper will spend the same money and get less reach every quarter. If this was useful, hit subscribe. We drop a real AI workflow breakdown every single week. Drop a comment and tell me which layer your brand is improving on right now. I read every reply. If you prefer reading, we put the full breakdown on the blog with the exact stack, the prompts, and every tool we use. Head over to jzcreates.com. Link is right below in the description. Follow us on social too. We're posting daily creative breakdowns and testing brand new AI tools the second they drop, way before we make a full YouTube video about them. And if your brand wants a creative partner to build this AI content system for you, reach out to us at JZ Creates. AI creative services, AI creative automation, full campaign execution. We do it all every day for brands across luxury, consumer products, music, and entertainment. To see the AI tools we actually run on, click the video on screen where we break down our entire 2026 stack. Thanks for watching, stay creative, and we'll see you in the next AI breakdown.